Obamacare has survived the latest Supreme Court challenge, the third Republican-backed effort to kill the law. So let's bring in Josh Blackman with South Texas College of Law to talk more about this. And Josh, I want to ask you first what this means for the millions of people who are already signed up through the Affordable Care Act.
Sure. As of now, nothing changes. The court rejected the Texas-led challenge to the ACA, and as a result, things will stay the same for the foreseeable future.
Okay, so the marketplace remains open, right, then through August 15th?
Correct. Everything stays the same. Nothing changes.
Okay, so let's talk about just the long fight that's been going on now for about a decade. Do you think that this is the last case that's going to be brought before the Supreme Court, or do you see this coming back before them again with another viable legal challenge?
Well, I would love to say this is the end, but I don't think so. The Supreme Court ruled on very narrow grounds. They held that Texas could not bring this claim in federal court right now. But Justice Alito wrote a dissent, and he suggested that other people could. For example, if the government tried to go after someone for violating Obamacare, they could argue that Obamacare was unconstitutional. So I think other people in courts throughout the country can raise these same arguments, and this issue may be back to the court in another 2 years.
Because this was upheld on a technicality, right? Not the merits of the law.
Right, not exactly technicality, but it's like a gatekeeper issue, right? The courts won't let anyone into federal court. They have to have a certain type of injury that can be fixed in court. And what Justice Breyer said is this injury can't be redressed. It can't be traced to the actions of any government actor. But other types of injuries could be traced to those people.
How surprising was this? Because many Democrats believed that Justice Amy Coney Barrett was brought onto the court in order to dismantle Obamacare. And in fact, she upheld it. So what does her vote tell you from a legal perspective?
I think the Democrats were trying to create paranoia where there was none. The odds that the Supreme Court would kill Obamacare was never very great. I think what we are seeing, though, is that Justice Barrett may be more moderate than conservatives expected, right? Liberals were worried and conservatives were happy. And now conservatives may think that she's not perhaps what they expected.
Okay, so we'll continue to watch to see, if it's another one is brought before the Supreme Court. But as you say, for now, it looks like it could remain then.
Yep, everything stays the same for now.
Everything stays the same. All right, Josh Blackman, South Texas College of Law. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much.